Snowland with an attendant there away. Rubitano jumped okay, and also away quickly is Choisir, but he's going to be left solo on the flat side. The rest are coming out here, where Snowland began flying and found the outside rail with Spinning Hill. Shags is going forward with Cosmic Strike, and wider out then Rubitano heading across in front of Bellesprit, and back behind those horses Chong Chong and Azevedo, and Choisir solo on the inside as they go towards the 600 metres. Hard to know whether he's in it or not as they come along now, and the leader is Snowland on the outside. Rubitano had gone up and just about joined him, followed by Shag. Spinning Hill on the rail. Bellesprit is working into it wide out from Cosmic Strike, and then came Chong Chong. Azevedo as last, and Choisir over on the inside on his own, coming towards the 200 metre mark. Rubitano the leader, Bellesprit after him. Spinning Hill joins in, and Choisir is in the hunt on the other side. 100 metres to go. Choisir on the flat, Spinning Hill on this side. They're on opposite sides of the track, and Choisir's done it on his own down on the inside and won it from Spinning.